Gov Capital Collector expects NEAR to drop by 7.9% tomorrow. But before we move on, here's what's going on right now. NEAR is currently showing a 2.7% rise over the last 24 hours and is priced near $2.172. Let's get into what analysts expect today. According to Gov Capital Collector, the asset could reach $1.988 by June 10, a loss of roughly 7.9% from today's price. CoinDataFlow believes NEAR could slide toward $2.14, a potential drop of 0.8%. According to Coin Price Forecast, there is potential for it to head upward to $2.17, an increase of about 0.6%. Another estimate from Crypto Predictions shows NEAR may move up to $2.19, a rise close to 1.5%. Finally, Traders Union expects a move to $2.405 by tomorrow, a rise of 11.4%. This is the top return forecast we've reviewed. We've gone over 5 calls for tomorrow. Let's keep moving. Let's now shift from forecasts to expected outcomes. The aggregated outlook from all analysts suggests that the price could change between a drop of 7.9% and an increase of 11.4%, depending on the analyst. After comparing all 5, Traders Union leads with 11.4% upward change in value by tomorrow. This means you could see a return of between $6 and $114 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering market volatility, CoinDataFlow's forecast leads with a 99.9% probability of success. With all forecasts taken together, I've produced a consensus outlook. Looking at the consensus, NEAR is set near $2.178. Alright, here's the inside view. The consensus forecast is for a 0.9% increase in price. That outcome means your capital could also register growth of 0.9%. A 1,000 investment could illustrate a profit of about $9 in this case. The consensus scenario carries a likelihood of approximately 99.8% of coming true. Next, let's see how analysts expect the market to perform over the 3 days. Gov Capital Collector expects losses to extend. Likewise, CoinDataFlow suggests bearish momentum will dominate. Coin Price Forecast highlights that NEAR could head higher. Also, Crypto Predictions anticipates NEAR following a bullish course. A bearish outlook is projected by Traders Union, pointing to a decline. According to the consensus view, NEAR is positioned for a decline over the next 3 days. All in all, most analysts are leaning bearish on NEAR in this horizon. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Let's see how accurate they turned out. Ultimately, yesterday's trading ended at $2.131. Yesterday's close showed that most of the forecasts were right about the direction. The tightest forecast was produced by Traders Union. Now let's sort it out clearly. Yesterday's candle aligned with only one forecast. When it comes to ROI, several forecasts showed profits and Traders Union reached 13.6%, the highest among them. Up next, the results view. A clear picture of how all forecasts worked out. In the summary, 30 rates shows $0.383 accuracy, 96.1% forecast probability, and minus 13.4% ROI. Look closely. Who do you think was the most precise this time? Here's how the income expectations for tomorrow look across multiple assets, including NEAR. In tomorrow's forecast ranking, NEAR stands at 3rd place, and Dogecoin tops the list with 1.2%. This segment compares NEAR with 4 randomly picked cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison is already accessible on my website. Before you leave, show some support with a like and subscribe so I can keep gathering forecasts for you. See you in tomorrow's update.